Welcome to Grumpy Man's Reviews. Today we're looking at a USB desk fan by a company called Snopy. This was very kindly sent to me by Snopy. I will link it down below if you want to pick it up. If you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. Quick look at the packaging. It's letting us know that it folds at 90 degrees, washable front grille, 120 degrees swiveling head, 4 gears, LED light. Some more information on this side. It has a 4000 mAh battery, model number E808, 4 speeds, charging time 6 to 8 hours. And the weight there as well. Some more information on this side. Nothing there. Let's open it. I have, of course, used it and I've packed it back up. And some information there. So to remove the grill, you have to loosen a little screw at the top there, which I will show you, of course. Thanks. On this side, the model number E808 USB fan, the instruction booklet. Just have a look there. In case you lose yours, you could pause the video here and look at this. But it's pretty straightforward to operate anyway. If I remove that. It's a micro USB cable that's included. The actual fan itself. Let me just get rid of the box. Just remove that. Okay, it's giving us instructions on how to clean the grill, which I will show you in a bit, of course. It's got a lock on and a lock off there as well, so which way to turn the grill when you want to take it off. So it looks like from the side. At the bottom, it has 4 rubber pads. That's where you would put it on charge, of course. The charging port is there, and you could run the wire through there to make it look neat. You could also mount the fan as well if you want. The bottom is letting us know charging time 6 to 8 hours, but when you first get it, you put it on charge, it would be less than that because, of course, it has some charge in it. Model number E808. At the front, that's where the controls are. It has 5 little LED lights there. That's the fan speed. This one here, you could see it's got a little arrow there. That's for oscillation, and the other one is for the night light. And at the moment, if I'm pushing it, it's not moving. It's charged, it has some charge in it, but that's because it's got a child lock on. So if you hold these 2 buttons for 2 seconds, the child lock is enabled, and to disable the child lock, same thing, hold it for 2 seconds. There you go. I don't know if you heard that little sound. If I turn it on now, start working. That's the first speed, and there's a little light there. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up. Second speed. So it's still quiet at second speed. It's a bit louder now at the third speed. Now fourth speed, of course, it's loud. Just push that to turn it off. This moves to 90 degrees. I could have it up till there. That light there, to enable that, long press it and it would come on. And as you can see, it's a breathing light. To turn it off, hold it for a few seconds again and it goes off. If I turn the fan on, pushing it once, the fan's on. To get the oscillation feature, just push it once. There we go. And as it said on the box, it oscillates at 120 degrees. At speed 1 and 2, it is really quiet, and it's really strong as well. At the time of recording, it's on for £28, and they have a £3 coupon as well. But even at £28, it's a good buy, this, in my opinion. Just turn the oscillation off. There we go. So rather than going through the cycle again to turn it off, you just long press it and it would go off, rather than going through 1, 2, 3, 4 and then it goes off. You could just long press it, even if you're on number 1 or 2, and it would go off. So the fan doesn't have to be on to use the light. The light can be turned on like this as well. It's a 5-blade fan. If I just turn the light off, I'll just show you where to unscrew it from to remove the grill. There's a little screw at the back there, at the top. You unscrew that, then twist the grill as it shows you towards the right, and it would come off, and you could clean the fan, the blades, and then put it back on. So in my opinion, it's a really good fan. Only one complaint that I have, which I'm sure a lot of people have, it's a bit awkward to get the charging cable in there. Just put it in for it to charge. It's a bit tricky that. Yep, finally got it. There we go. As you can see, the red light's on first, on the first one, and when it's fully charged, we'll stop. You took the light cable in neatly there. I just wanted to quickly show you something. This is the Amazon listing, and it's saying on speed 1 it will give you 7 to 15 hours, speed 2 6 to 10 hours, speed 3 4 to 7 hours, and speed 4 2.5 to 3 hours. As I said, the cable is a bit annoying. It's not a deal breaker, but it's a bit annoying. But build quality of the fan and the strength of it is really good. We have a gaming PC in my studio where I'm editing videos and we play games, and it gets hot in there, and having this fan next to you, it's been really good. If you want to pick it up, link in the description box below. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.